attachment management. So why Normin want to develop this module? We all know that Normin backend already has the capability to view the attachments. For example, on the below screen, in the purchase requisition and requisition entry, in this screen, go to Attachment tab. We are able to see all the attachment files user uploaded from the employee web portal. Highlight the file and click Preview. We are able to see the documents. So user is asking whether this capability can be extended to 6300 screen of desktop application. Normin hear about these feedbacks and spend effort to develop these modules. If this attachment management module has not been enabled for this current entity, you can go to RM Setup option screen, then select the Modules tab. Under the Management section, you will see there's one option called Use Attachment Management. Tip this option, click Save. Software will then prompt you to restart 6300 software to activate these modules. After the software start, you will be able to see this attachment management menu under Resource Manager. If user login to 6300 and current entity has the attachment management capability enabled, then the attachment management icon should appear in Windows System Tray. So this is the attachment management icon. If for some reasons the attachment management icon does not appear in Windows System Tray, then you can either restart 6300 or through this attachment management and attachment link, and in this screen there's a test button. Click this test button to reload this attachment management program. By default, the attachments are saved under the RM attachment part. Go to Setup, open the option screen, click the Attachment tab. Here we can see where is the RM attachment folder. You can also change it to the Browse button. To add the attachment management capability for 6300 screen, we need to create the attachment link code for that screen. Okay, now let's see how we can add this attachment management capability for 6300 screen from the software. Go to Attachment Management, open this attachment links. We can start to add the link code for it and provide the description. For example, we want to add the attachment management capability for this AR invoice screen. This screen has not yet added the attachment management capability yet because there's no small attachment icon show up here. Then now we go to attachment link. We provide the link code, the AR invoice entry, and provide a description. Then we select the modules and program ID to point to the screen we want to add the attachment management capability. Go to this, add the group title, say invoice document. Okay, then we set the link field. Link field is linked to this. For this screen, link field 1 is point to this batch number. So we type in this batch number. And the link field 2 goes to entry number. So we type this entry number. And attachment path, we need to set attachment folder for this link code. For now, let's just put any letters, then click detail. Okay, so now we can use the variables provided by the software to define the folder. Here are the detailed explanation of each variables. Okay, let's see the RM part. Then we want to add the entity. Then we say these AR modules. Now we know this one is for invoice entry. Okay, then we say this one is a batch number and entry number. Okay, so save, close. So the setting we add show here. Then we close. Your software prompt asks whether you want to save this the newly added link code. We say yes. Then software prompt asks need to restart 6300 to get this newly added link code active. Close. So now close. Okay. Run the software again. Okay. So now we see this AR invoice entry. You'll see this small attachment icon show up here. Okay, so we select a batch where we want to add the attachments, and we select the entries, and we go to this attachment icon. Click this icon to get these windows. In this window, there's three buttons: add, export, and refresh. We can use add button to open the Windows Explorer and navigate to the folder where there's a file you want to attach to this 6300 screen. So we go to, let's say for this file, we want to edit. Okay, so you will see it copies the file to the folder where we define. To confirm it, let's see, we press explore. You will see this, the software copies the file to the folder we define. This one is the batch number and this one is entry number. Okay, so now, for example, we think this file maybe is no need and we want to delete it. How can we do it? Again, go to Explorer, open the Windows Explorer, and then highlight the file we want to delete. Then just press the delete button in the keyboard. After that, you click refresh. Click refresh, you will see the file now is no more attached for this batch and this entry. You want to add again, go to click add button, navigate to the folder where there's a file, click, it will show up again. Okay, close. Okay, this is the example of adding the attachment management capability for the screen which have two link codes, which have two link fields. The software is also catered for the screen which needs only one link field. For example, of this IC item, we define only one link field. Let's take a look at the IC item screen. So here we use only one link field, and this is the items. Click the icon, you see these are the file attached for this item. Double click this file, it will pop up and you will see the content of the file. You can also go to click explore to see where is the location of this file. Okay, so this is how we can set up and use the attachment management capability for the Sage 300 screens.